Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the myfxsoftware.com results video. I do these at least 3 days a week, and let me express to you, this is one of my very first videos on this channel. Let me express to you how this works. So I've created a Forex trading software that resides in the cloud. Now, to normally trade, any Forex trader has to stare at a chart like we're doing here. You can see this is a live chart on my mobile device. Any trader typically has had to stare at their mobile device, or more importantly, some sort of software installed on their desktop computer, and they have to watch charts and they have to figure out and learn when to enter trades, when to exit, how to take profit. And frankly, if you want to be really good at it, you'd have to sit in front of your computer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Nobody's going to do that. So with my Forex trading system, I won't go too far into it on this first video, but with my FX software and my trading system, you simply create yourself a free trading account. If you want to start with a demo, basically paper funds, not real, you can test the system. You create a free demo account, you plug it right into my cloud-based software, and it is immediately trading for you. There's no software installation, there's no setup, there's no complexity. And typically when you're running a Forex software robot or an automated system, you probably have to spend a lot of time optimizing that particular software, and it's very technical. With my system, all of that's gone. It's completely gone. You get a trading account number and a password, you type that into an online form, and you are immediately trading any number of profitable, successful, best practices Forex trading strategies. You're automatically plugged into them, and it is immediately trading for you. This is the only software service of its kind on the planet. Nowhere else can you get access to these top-level premier trading strategies that you also don't have to become a technical expert for. You'd have to do that everywhere else. Here, I've done that all in the background. I continue to do it. We have a very live, active community, and I post these videos on a regular basis throughout the week. And what I'm going to do here is specifically in this video focus on today's results. They're pretty amazing. Today we had some amazing results. I'll go through and I'll show you what you can get access to. Now, you see the web address on the screen, myfxsoftware.com. If you go to that web address, it's going to take you directly to my free public facing Telegram channel where I post daily results. Typically, I wake up in the morning, make some coffee, and I post these results. These are real trades that my software is placing, managing, and taking, and you can plug right into those real trades. No hype, no fake accounts, no bait and switch. You get direct access to, again, what is considered premier Forex trading strategies. So let's look at some of the results that came in this morning that I shared inside the Telegram group. And here you see it on my mobile device on screen. This is access to the MyFX software free Telegram channel where, again, I publish results daily. You can see here, I started at about 12 noon my time. I'm on Mountain Time. So here's the very first screenshot. I said here, newly optimized index and metals software. That's something you get access to when you come into my group. It made $11,622 overnight. You can see the trades there. It traded gold, a big US 30 trade, and SPX 500. So that's my index and metals feed. People love to trade gold, and they're very highly profitable pairs. When I say pairs, they're Forex pairs. This is the top one. XAUUSD is gold against the US dollar, and then the NASDAQ, or the US top 30. And then you can see SPX, or the Standard & Poor's index, and that made $310. But it was a total of just over $11,000. The next software connection is basically, if I blow this up here, this is what's called my Gold Scalper. It is different than my index and metal software. Gold Scalper trades basically the New York Open to the London close. London closes, the London trading session closes at 12 noon Eastern time in New York. You can see here that I said the Gold Scalper system made $7,546 this morning scalping gold. These are real trades. If you're plugged into the software, you can have these exact trades. I also provide, if you come on into the group, it's myfxsoftware.com/join. But of course, you get a direct link to that if you're in the free Telegram channel here. But what happens is you plug your account directly into this, and I also have Telegram channels that notify you of all of the trades in real time when they open, when and if they are modified, and then of course when they close and take profit. So each software connection has a dedicated Telegram channel. I'm literally taking screenshots from the MetaTrader app and showing them here in the group. So here's another one. We closed EURUSD overnight at a $1,127 profit. That's a software connection. I call it OPP, or one profitable pair. We trade all 28 currency pairs, standard currency pairs and crosses. And we trade typically 1 or 2 pairs at a time until they turn into profit, and it's a system of nothing but net profit. So you can see here $1,127 overnight. Now what's interesting is you don't have to bid the bid that I'm using on my accounts. You can bid at an absolute minimum lot size, and in fact, when you plug into the software, the lot size of the bid comes to you directly as the lowest possible bid, and you can scale that up. So these trades can and will fit any size of account pretty much at any broker. I do recommend some if you're not a Forex trader and you don't understand how this works. It's as simple as this. You come on into the group, you join myfxsoftware.com/join, or again, a direct link from the Telegram group here. And what happens is you simply set up a free broker account. They give you a demo account, or if you want to fund your account, you can start with a live account. I always suggest start with demo funds so you get a feel for it, make sure your settings are correct, and it just works. You're getting these exact same trades. So these aren't ghost trades that only I'm getting. This is the software that my accounts are plugged into, and it's the same software that your accounts could be plugged into. Here's another set of trades. I said $2,144 in profit. These are the exact same trades you just previously seen. I'm just plugging in a different account and trading those trades on a different account. So additional profits. You can pretty much have as many accounts as you want. Just depends on your membership level in the paid subscriber group. So here was another interesting one. It says, here's a screenshot from our Telegram notifications showing a US 30 buy trade, and it made $9,800 in profit. And here's what's interesting. It was 6 minutes and 19 seconds for that trade this morning. We have a US 30 software system that starts trading the New York Open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. It's absolutely amazing. And here's another one, a $273 profit on NAS 100. We did a buy trade. That trade lasted 1 minute and 58 seconds. That's incredible. Nowhere else are you finding results like this that are real, that you can plug your account into immediately. No software setup, no virtual private server, nothing complex, no optimization. All of that stuff is difficult. I do all that for you automatically on my end. And the final post in the free Telegram group here, I did a total $22,912 in profit overnight, plugged in to my different software systems. We have actually, I believe, 4 different software systems that you can plug into, and it just really depends on the level of membership that you come in at. But again, go to Telegram. It says right on the screen, join our Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. Just go to myfxsoftware.com and you can subscribe to Telegram. Telegram's free. If you don't have a Telegram account, it's a free app. You type in your phone number, you're connected on your mobile device, and then you can subscribe for free right to my Telegram channel. So that's it as far as results for the day. One of the things I'm going to do on a regular basis here is we're going to show different automations using my software and other automations. We'll look at different indicators, and we'll talk about trading from a manual standpoint and from an automated standpoint. I frankly don't know why people still stare at Forex currency trading charts. I don't know why they try to manually trade. I truly think it's a mind virus in our industry. Great book, by the way, if you want to go read that, Virus of the Mind. Go look it up on Amazon. There is a virus going around in the Forex trading world that has taught people to stare at charts and manually enter. You'll even see people looking at a chart like this, scrolling back in time and telling you what you should have done. That makes no sense. And once you start seeing it, and I'm able to point it out to you, you'll see how this really works. And in fact, why stare at charts? Why try to figure this stuff out yourself? Why not just plug in to the automated software? When I say plug in, you literally click inside of my members area, you click a link, it opens up a form, you fill it out, and your account is immediately connected. If you know anything about Forex trading, you know that that is very unique in the industry. Everywhere else, you have to buy the robot, You have to figure out the software. You have to customize the settings. You have to do so much work to make this happen any other way. Whereas with my system, you get the best of the best Forex trading strategies, and you plug your account directly into it, demo or live funds. And of course, we have an active group, and I'm active in the group every day, and I'm there to support you. This is the easiest thing in the world. It's going to really take off now that I have massively simplified the entire concept. So that's it for today's video. Much more to come. Stay tuned. Do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're seeing this on YouTube. I'd love to have you in the group, or at least follow along and see inside the Telegram channel what you're missing out on. That's it. I'll see you in the next video.